Following the lower-than-expected PMI announcement, spot gold saw a spike. Investors were encouraged by this development to believe that rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, Fed, might occur sooner rather than later. In February, the US ISM manufacturing PMI fell short of expectations, coming in at 47.8 instead of the predicted 49.5 from the previous month's 49.1 reading. Despite ongoing difficulties in a labor market with tight supply constraints, the Fed's most recent monetary policy report expressed cautious optimism about controlling inflation. The XAUUSD daily chart shows a potential channel breakout, supported by the rising 20-day EMA, as the market momentum is bullish. In that case, the ideal trading approach is to seek short-term long opportunities from the lower time frame. However, a strong bearish exhaustion from the near-term area could offer a potential reversal opportunity.